Today, we're making a mouth-watering sweet pizza with no kneading and no yeast. Perfect for all the sweet tooths out there. And trust me, the kids will love it. First, into a bowl, we pour 170 grams of flour, 15 grams of sugar for a touch of sweetness, 2 grams of salt to balance the flavors, 5 grams of baking powder, our leavening agent for a perfect rise. Mix all the dry ingredients thoroughly so the leavening agent can do its magic. Next, we add 100 milliliters of milk to bring everything together, 30 milliliters of vegetable oil to keep our dough soft and tender. Stir it all together with a spatula. Then use your hands to form a smooth ball of dough. Sprinkle some flour on your work surface and roll out the dough into a 30-centimeter diameter flatbread. But before we get to the most important part, let me just say that while this dough is fantastic for sweet pizza, it's also versatile enough for savory toppings. I'll cover that in an upcoming video. And so, let's get to the most important step in making this pizza. Transfer the dough to a baking tray and create a small border around the edges. In a separate bowl, mix 80 milliliters of heavy cream with 1 packet of vanilla sugar. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then pour this creamy goodness onto your pizza base and spread it evenly. Add 100 grams of ricotta cheese, mixing it with the cream on the dough to create a luscious, creamy sauce. Now for the toppings. Add fresh strawberries, halved. These juicy berries add a burst of sweetness. Sliced kiwi for a tangy, refreshing twist. Colorful candied pineapple. The combination of flavors is just amazing. This deliciousness won't last long, especially if you have kids around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye for now.